Welcome back to United Tradesman Academy. Hey, look, today we got a rooftop unit that I had to go diagnose, and my diagnosis was a bad control board. So I had to wait 2 weeks to pick up this control board because it was not in stock. So also too, I was invited to come on a live stream on WW HVAC's YouTube channel. We did a live stream last night. If you want to go back and check it out, we're answering questions on how to start your business, what trucks or what vans, all that good stuff like that. So the YouTube channel is WW HVAC, and we'll see y'all when we get to the job. All right, guys, so before I put this new control board on right here, I'm gonna check this heat exchanger and make sure I don't see any cracks. Looking so far good. Let me show you how this control board looks. You can see them burn spots right there, or corrosion spots. There's one more right up there too. Look at all of that corrosion right there on that control board. So let me give you a comparison of how they look, both look. You see the difference? Let me turn this on low because I do not want to break this. This impact is strong, so. All right, so now we're ready to turn this back on. Okay guys, look, I went downstairs to turn the thermostat on, came back up, the unit still not going into heat mode. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bypass the thermostat by jumping my R and W1 terminal here. And we will turn it back on, and we're gonna see if the unit cuts on. Now, put it back on. Unit just cut on. So, after jumping out R and W, bypassing the thermostat, the unit just came on. Now, mind you, I just replaced this control board. So when I came out to diagnose it the first time, I tried to do the same, bypassing the thermostat and just going from R to W across the terminals, and the unit still will not come on, even after bypassing it. So got a new control board. There was one issue. To go further into the testing, I had to go downstairs, turn the thermostat on. That still didn't work. So now what I did was I jumped R and W, bypassing the thermostat, and now the unit, the heat is actually on. So in conjunction with changing the control board, now I have to go get a thermostat, and this will show up the issue. All right guys, this is the old one and this is the new one. You can see heat is on, it is running. All right, so after putting on the new thermostat, I came back up here to check to make sure it's running. Can you hear it? I'm not gonna open it up because I can tell that it's actually running right now. Hey guys, look, comment, like, share the video, subscribe. I thank y'all for my people that came on to my podcast, to my live stream. Yeah, y'all did hear me rapping on that, so if y'all was on the video, if y'all didn't check the video out, y'all missed out on me rapping about these trades. Hey look, we'll see you next time. Go ahead and drop a comment, say what's up. I love to hear from y'all. Hit that like button, make sure you hit the notification bell, so when I do post the video, you will get notified of me posting a new video. And go ahead and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. You don't have to pay to subscribe. Just hit that red button down there. We'll see you next time back at United Tradesman Academy. Let's go E-Team.